Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and I wish that you all be always be fine as again lockdown has been started and the online study has begun for the students. So today my motive for making this video is to introduce the application, that is poster application, and this application is very useful as I have created many designs using this application. So I want to tell you all that how you can design templates of any kind, like for Facebook, Instagram, or any of your requirement. You can make the simple designing templates with the help of this application, and you do not need any computer system for this. You can easily download this application on your mobile phones, and afterwards you can use this application for making various templates, poster for birthday greetings, anniversary, or any of the design you can make with the help of this application. So firstly, what you have to do, you have to install this application from the Play Store, Google Play Store, and the name of the application is Posters. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to the Google Play Store on your mobile phones, and you have to install this application from that. After successful installation, what you will see that there are many designs which you can take the templates from this. Select the template, and afterwards you can add your text, picture, animated stickers over there. So there are various options to make a very beautiful design or a template. So here you can see that there are various options are given here for selecting any of the theme, like women style, background, floral design, spring, text, quotes, and there are number of varieties over here that you can make the templates according to your requirement. And here also you can see that various designs are there. One thing I want to tell that you can also make animated template also, and afterward you can share that in the form of videos. The animated templates are like, for example, this. Now I'll show you that how the animation effect commits. By default it's an animation effect, so you can add your own text or the pictures to this, and then afterwards you can share it. So like animation, you have to click on here. See, this is the animated effects which this application provides you. Okay, so you do not have to do anything, you just have to select the design. Afterward you can add your own text, picture, and then you can share it with your friends or anyone you want to. Here how you can uh, change the text or how you can add anything to these designs. So let me tell you that. For example, I am selecting this template design, and now I want to change the text here. So now I'll just be writing the text over here. Wedding invitation. So like this you can see that the text has been changed. After that you can see that there are various options from here. You can change color of the text. It's your requirement what you want to do with the text. You can change the font style of the text. There are number of fonts which you can add to your text. See, like this you can change the font of your text. After that you can also add the shadow to your text. Here you can, if you want to change the text again, then you can again change it if you want. So like this you can add text to this template. Okay, if you want to delete any of the text which has already been written on the design, so what you have to do, just click over that text, clear the text, and then go this. So you can see that the text has been deleted or erased from here. After that, if you want to add any of the other thing, how you can add, click on this plus icon. After that you can see here text. With the text you can add the new text. Stickers, you will get the stickers in this application only. Picture, if you click on this picture, then you can add any of the image from your phone's gallery to your template. Again, for any animated sticker you can click on the GIF. So these are all are the options which this application provide to you. So as there is like animated, so you can just click over here for seeing the video look of this design. Yes, and now if you want to share it, then click here. The processing is going on. Wait until it reach to the 100%. Yes, so now you can share this design template with your friends using WhatsApp, using Facebook, on YouTube. So it's your wish that how you want to save it and how you want to share it with your friends. And sometimes it will like add onto your use while using this application. You just wait for a second to the video stop and then click over here. Okay, and now if you want to see all your designs, then how you can see it? Yes, so after saving your design, from the option which you can see all your created design is you have to go to the left navigation, and after that here you can see this second option, that is my design. Okay, my design is here. So when you click on this tab my design, you will see all your creator templates which you have created. So this was all about the poster application, how you can create design with using this application in just a seconds or a minutes, because it's a very useful application and it's very user friendly application. So I hope that you like this video, and if this video you found helpful for you, then please share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video.